DRJ Kids.
Consequences of greed. Once upon a time, in a small village called Palanpur, lived a mason named Hari. He lived with his wife Sudha and son Suresh. Hari was a talented and hard-working mason. He had constructed the houses of all rich people in his village. But he used to stay in a small hut with his family. One day, his son told him,
Daddy, you construct such big houses for everyone. But why don't we have a big house like them? Why do we live in this hut?
Son, we do not have so much money that we can make a big house.
Okay, Daddy, then how to earn a lot of money so that even we can stay in a big house?
Hari had no answer for this. He was very upset listening to Suresh. That's when Hari heard a voice from outside the hut.
Hari? Hari!
Yes, Raghu, what's the matter?
Come with me. The landlord was asking for you, Hari.
Okay.
Both came to meet the landlord.
Yes, sir. Why did you call me here?
Hari, I want to make one more palace. You start the work as soon as possible.
But sir, you already have so many palaces. I have myself constructed 7 or 8 of them. So why do you want to build one more palace?
All of them have become really old, and now I want a brand new palace.
Saying this, the landlord hands over a bag full of money to Hari and asked him to start the work as soon as possible. When Hari came back home, he bought a pack of sweets with him. He was really happy. Giving the packet to his wife, he said,
Come, let us celebrate. Today I am very happy. Landlord wants me to build a new palace.
What is there to celebrate in this? You will make a palace for him and not for me.
Even we will have a big house. I have thought of an idea. We will also live in a big house very soon.
Wow, Daddy! Today only we were talking about our new house in the morning. And God has heard our wishes. Now very soon even we will be having a big house.
Yes, my son.
Mom, can I share the sweets with my friends as well?
Yes, you can.
Taking some sweets out of the box, Suresh goes out of the hut. Sudha asks Hari about the idea in his mind. But Hari says he will tell her later.
Tell me, what is the idea by which we will have a big house?
Not now. I will tell you in the night.
After which, he keeps the bag full of money in the trunk. Suresh shares the sweets with his friends and says,
Now soon even I will have a big house. I will study in a big school. I will become an engineer and then make tall buildings in the city.
Suresh, don't forget us once you become an engineer.
Oh no, Pinky. You're my sister. You tie me Rakhi. How can I forget you?
and then he goes back to his hut. When Suresh was asleep in the night, Hari tells Sudha about the idea he thought about.
You know, Sudha, this time I have thought of an idea that along with landlord's palace, we too will have a big house.
What's the idea?
This time, while constructing, I will use cheap and duplicate items. And this way, I will save lot of money. And with that money, I will make our big house.
But what will happen if the landlord comes to know that you have cheated him? Then?
He will not come to know. All the palaces that I have constructed for him will have a life of 50 years. They are so strong. But the one which I will make now, even if it stands for 2 years and then fall, I will say that, sir, I don't know how did this happen. And he will not even come to know about it.
Pretending to be asleep, Suresh listens to the entire conversation and tells Hari,
Daddy, greed is not a good thing. My teacher has taught me that if one is greedy, he will have to repent someday.
Listen, don't try to act smart. Go and sleep. Don't you teach me.
Hari starts planning on his idea. He starts constructing the palace the very next day, and all the material to be used in the palace, like brick, stones, wood, iron, was of inferior quality. And he started constructing the palace using all this material. Few days passed away, and within some days, Hari completed constructing the palace. Landlord was very happy looking at the palace, and he said,
Hari, you have made a very beautiful and a strong palace. Hope it will survive for 50 years.
Of course, sir. Nothing will happen to it at least for 50 years.
I think it will survive for the next 100 years.
And why is that, sir?
Because you make houses for everyone, but you stay in a small hut. That's why I have made this palace only for you. From now on, you own this palace.
Listening to this, Hari got really scared. He realized the blunder that he had committed. Now neither he could say the truth to the landlord, nor he could make a house for himself. As then the landlord will ask him that since he has already got a palace, then why does he need another house? He very well understood that God had punished him for cheating the landlord, and he had got a lot of regrets. But he couldn't do anything about it.